Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today me and Rebecca, we are working on a 2008 Honda Accord. This car has a North Star issue. One of the things I always tell people, whenever you have a North Star issue, always check your battery. In this situation, is the battery. For the sake of the video, I'm going to show you what's wrong with it, and we'll go from there. And what you're going to need for this project is you're going to need a 10 millimeter. Then you're going to need some type of battery cleaner. You can actually use hot water, but in this situation we are going to be using this cleaner. We're also going to use this brush right here to clean the terminals. Me and Rebecca is going to show you how dirty these battery terminals are, and this is the reason why this car does not start. So let's get you closer. Like I said, look at how dirty the battery terminals are, and this is the reason why this car is not starting, because the terminals are dirty. And what happens when they dirty, there's no full contact on the battery in order to start. So like I said, you actually can use hot water to clean this, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of this battery cleaner to clean the outside, and then I'm gonna remove the terminals and clean the terminals also. Hey baby, take the top out of that.
Hold on.
Okay. So I'm gonna put some of this battery cleaner in it, and I'm gonna leave it there for a few minutes. We're gonna leave it there a few minutes, and I'll be right back. So what we're gonna do now is start cleaning it up. As you can see, the battery cleaner cleaned all the corrosion up, and it turned pink where I wanted it to turn pink at, right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start cleaning it up, and then we're gonna remove the terminals and clean those up also. And that battery cleaner is very, very good. You can see the difference already. You don't see that, like that bluish acid. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the battery terminals and clean them. Let me get the 10 millimeter, Rebecca. Thank you very much. And all we need is the 10 millimeter wrench. So we'll remove it, and we start cleaning, and you notice that the battery cleaner went right through it. That is great. Look at how clean it is. But what I'm gonna do is, let me get that brush, baby. Need that brush right quick. Thank you. We're gonna use this brush. We're gonna use the back, and we're gonna clean the post of the battery. So there you go. You see how nice that looks? Now we're gonna take the other part, this one, and we're gonna clean it here also. You want to clean this really good. And if you do this on this Honda Accord, you're gonna have to reset your radio. So before you do this, make sure you know how to reset your radio. If not, you're not gonna have no radio. And I have a video on it in case you did forget on it. I'll put the link below. Look at how clean that is. Put this in the side. You don't want it to come back. Now you're gonna remove the other one. We're gonna do the same thing. Remove it. This one is a little shorter, so you're probably gonna have to pull it back. Clean up. We're gonna do the same thing. Okay, this one is clean also. Now we're gonna do the same thing inside. It's a little short, so I have to find a way how to do it. You want to play with Mickey?
Cool.
You? Okay, we almost finished, okay?
Not our Mickey, the other Mickey.
Oh, the other Mickey, the other dog, okay. All right. So now everything is clean. Now what you want to do is put some battery terminal protectors. And I'm using this one here. Put some there. Some there. Now you're gonna put this back. I'm putting the positive first. Seven plus two?
Yeah.
I don't know. You tell me. Is it 20?
No.
How much? All right. Now let's put the other one.
It's 8, Dad.
No, 7 plus 2. Try again. So what we'll do is we put some in the top. We'll do it with this one also.
Oh, it's 50.
No, 7 plus 2 is 9, baby.
Wow.
It's okay. You're learning. It takes practice, but you'll get it. Okay? So now that you have cleaned your terminals, you shouldn't have no problem with your battery. But I recommend that you check your battery. Make sure it's 12.6. Make sure it's in good condition. In this situation, I know this battery is good. So I wanted to cut the video short. So let's see if this car starts now. So here you go. The car started quickly. Then now that we cleaned the terminals, make sure you check all your terminals, especially now that winter is coming. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it,
You can do it.
later.